Another look from a different angle on the epic grand finale of the Jamaica Premier League. Question: when last has any Jamaican national teams, reggae boys or reggae girls, played in front of 20,000 fans inside the National Stadium? The back-to-back World Cup qualified reggae girls have never played in front of 20,000 fans in Jamaica. The reggae boys have not seen that kind of support at the office in over a decade. And this is timely and instructive in that these JPL playoff games, based on how they were marketed and presented, have caused the football wagons to be loading up again. Now with the PFJL showing what can be done with the local Premier League without the big name international stars, can the JFF do the same at the international level with a team stacked with big name internationals? The question is, can the JFF get the Jamaican football public loaded onto the wagon again and support the reggae boys the way they supported the Jamaica Premier League? That we want to fix, and we're going to start it on June 6th.